Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your crosshair colors on the Palworld game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Palworld game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, go ahead and click on Options. Now from Options, click on Game Settings, and now you will see various different options for your keyboard, the controller pad, as well as Common Settings. Go into the Common Settings, and now at the bottom you will see the Aim option, where you can choose the color of your crosshair. By default, it is set to white, so you can use the left and right options to cycle through the available colors. After choosing your desired color, you can press the escape button to go back and save your changes. Choose yes when prompted, and now when you continue to play your game, your chosen crosshair color will have been applied, and you can change this setting at any point of time by going back into Game Settings, and then from the Common section, you can choose your color once again. Also, you can choose to have an opacity level of the outline that appears on your crosshair. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your crosshair colors on the Palworld game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.